In primetime news this evening, winter tourist rebound. We explore how tourism interests are preparing for the season ahead. Police Commissioner responds to claims by Indicom about the spate of fatal police shootings. And man who attempted to bribe jurors in Vibes cartel case found guilty.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, the Bank of Jamaica says less money is coming into the country through remittance companies. But why? And should we be worried? Answers in the Business Day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea to Spencer Darlington. He'll tell us what's coming in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, we saw a masterclass from a great player today. His team is into the World Cup final. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
I wish I could show the viewers your Croatian flag. But anyway, also coming up in the news, we have sports commentary as well as the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your views on the Argentina versus Croatia semi-final match today?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.